Hi everyone, it's Frugal here. As always, I have my coffee because otherwise somebody might just get killed. So today let's talk about a small business corporation and how this can help you to save tax in South Africa. So, let's do a bit of background first, just so that you understand. The government wants your money. Yes, you heard that correct. They want your money. And the only way that they can get your money is for you to make more money, because then they can tax more money. So SBC was created so that you can actually make more money. Concerning this, there are two great tax breaks that you get. The first one is on the net profit that you have. Now, the first 91,000 Rand is completely tax-free. Yes, you pay no tax. It works then on a sliding scale, which could be then that first part is free, and then 7%, 21%, and then 27% from 550,000 Rand of profit and upwards. So that means that you actually pay substantially less as a small business than what a big normal corporation would do. The other one is wear and tear. So we know that as a small business, you will have wear and tear on your physical, your car, as well as on your manufacturing equipment. So what the government did is they said, in the year that they're checking you out and making sure, in the year that you actually get the product, you can deduct, if you've got manufacturing equipment, you can deduct up to 100% of eligible equipment. When it comes to other equipment, you can deduct it over a 3-year period, 50%, 30%, and 20%. So, which is really cool, because you basically pay less tax and you can depreciate the value of your assets quite a lot, very much faster. Now, on the other hand, there has to be a catch to this, right? And here's the interesting catch, is that there's about 6 things that you need. The number one thing, which is the worst of them, is professional services are excluded. What does that mean? Well, a professional service is something that you're basically doing all the work. They're trying to avoid the idea of a freelancer or a single person to, basically do all the work and then get the tax break. They want it to be a business. So if you are in a professional field such as accountancy, software development, interior design, architecture, and you're actually physically doing the work yourself, you can't register as an SBC. There's obviously ways around it. If you hire 3 people that help you with this, help you with the work, and your profit is still fairly in check, you can actually still register as an SBC. So the other things as well that they're checking for. Number 2, you need to know that you can't get most of your income through things like rental property, investments, dividends, annuities, or anything like that. Because then you're actually not a small business, right? You're an investment company. So be careful and think about that one. The other one is, and this is an interesting one, is the structure of your company. You need to be a registered company, right? A PTY Limited. You can't just go, look, I am amazing and I am a small business corporation. No, you can't do that. You need to be registered as a PTY Limited. Now, the owners of the PTY Limited need to be natural persons. What does that mean? You can't have a company owning a company, okay? You also can't have a trust owning the company, because then you're not a small business corporation. It needs to be natural people that own that company. As the natural person as well, you can't be the shareholder of other companies. So technically, you should only own the one company. If you own more than one company, then you're not a small business anymore. Then you're trying to funnel that money to other places. So that is just a quick introduction to small business corporations, and I think that it's a great initiative, but it does narrow it down a little bit more towards physical products and physical things more than services based. And so if you are in that services area, I suggest checking out my blog post, checking out and reading up a little bit more, as there's a little bit more exclusions than what you would think. Have a wonderful day. Happy investing.